Samsung Q7F Vision AI Smart TV. Main features are: Samsung Q7F Vision AI Smart TV is a model from Samsung's 2025 QLED lineup, designed to offer a balance of picture quality, smart features, and gaming capabilities. It's positioned as an accessible entry point into the QLED experience. QLED display with 100% color volume. The Q7F uses Samsung's quantum dot technology, which allows it to display a wide spectrum of colors. 100% color volume, certified by VDE to DCI-P3 standard. This results in vibrant, lifelike colors even at high brightness levels. 4K UHD resolution delivers sharp and detailed images, characteristic of modern high-end TVs. Q4 AI processor. This is where the Vision AI comes in. The processor leverages AI to optimize both visual and audio performance. AI upscaling intelligently upscales lower resolution content to near 4K quality, enhancing clarity and detail. This AI is smart enough to recognize specific elements within a scene, like faces or textures, for more precise upscaling. Color Booster Pro uses AI to enhance color expression scene by scene, making visuals more vivid and dynamic compared to previous models. Adaptive Sound. The AI analyzes the content in real time to optimize sound settings, ensuring dialogue is clear and effects are appropriate for what you're watching. Quantum HDR enhances contrast and brings out details in both the brightest and darkest parts of the image. It supports HDR10+ with dynamic tone mapping. Panel and color. QLED with quantum dot technology delivers 100% DCI-P3 color volume, ensuring vivid, true-to-life shades regardless of brightness. Processor. Samsung's Q4 AI processor provides real-time upscaling to 4K, scene-by-scene color adjustment via Color Booster Pro, and adaptive picture tuning.